Hi children. Yesterday we started the lesson 24th, functioning of the state government. Uh, Today we are going to learn about the public healthcare service, and we have already learned about the National Rural Health Mission. State government implement the policies of National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. So the main aims of the NRHM is to reduce the mortality rate. Mortality rate means death rate of a population. Death rate कम करना and prevention and control of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases का जो example आपके सामने है, this COVID-19 is a communicable disease. Communicable disease means it is one that is spread from one person to another through different ways. That is communicable disease. एक से दूसरे को होते हैं जो disease. And promotion of healthy lifestyle. These three were the main goal of NRHM. Reduce the mortality rate, prevention and control of communicable disease, and the promotion of healthy lifestyle. These three are the aim. To achieve these goals, state government trains health workers and prepare health plans for every village. So to get these goals, the state government trains health workers and they make health plans for the villages and regular supply of the medicine and equipments, providing medical staff, ये सब कर रहे हैं उसको एक गोल अचीव करने के लिए. And primary health centers at village levels we can see block level, village level में primary health centers है. There qualified doctors and nurses are there to treat the minor illness, and if the patient is serious, then doctor will refer to the district hospital, which are having more specialist and trained personnel and better medical facilities are there in district hospital. जो माइनर इलनेस है, छोटे छोटे जो बीमारी है, उसके लिए हेल्थ सेंटर में हमको मेडिसिन मिलेगा. इफ इट इज़ सीरियस देन डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में जाना है. So the district hospital provide medical support to rural and urban people. District hospital जैसे भंडारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल है, रूरल एंड अर्बन एरिया में मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड कर रहे. एंड medical college and big hospitals and ultra modern facilities are available in the big hospitals that we can see in urban area. Their investigation and diagnosis of and treatment of serious diseases, we will get this all in big hospitals and medical college in urban area. And at the village level, sanitation samadhi is formed by the people of village. Means स्पेशली उसकी सैनिटेशन समिति का मेंबर्स है पंचायत मेंबर्स एंड आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स, टीचर्स, कम्युनिटी हेल्थ वॉलंटियर्स, ये सब मिलके सैनिटेशन समिति फॉर्म किया है. उसका ड्यूटी है हाउस होल्ड सर्वे करना, प्रिपेयरिंग हेल्थ प्लान्स एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग हेल्थ कैंपेन विथ क्लीनिनेस, देन वाटर टैंक क्लीनिंग, ये पेंटिंग ऑफ this all these things are doing by the sanitation samadhi, and they will get some grants from the government. Then drawbacks of the public healthcare service. The public healthcare service have the following drawbacks in spite of all efforts made by the government due to various reasons. Many drawbacks are there. The drawbacks we are going to learn. First one is funds provided by the authorities are very less and do not reach on time. The first drawback is that the fund provided by the authorities, इतना fund देंगे बोलते, but this fund is very less and do not reach on time. Time पे ये fund नहीं मिलते, वो एक drawback है public health care service का. Then जो मिलते fund that it remain unutilized. Then huge shortage of trained, skilled and dedicated doctors and nursing staff in rural area. This is the another drawback. Shortage of the nurses and doctors, nursing staffs. Then next drawback is lack of infrastructural facilities, buildings and other facilities बराबर नहीं रहते. And inadequate number of public health facilities, proper way में sufficient public
स्वच्छ
health
भारत
facilities
अभियान स्वच्छ भारत
नहीं
अभियान
है.
और
And
क्लीन इंडिया
poorly
मिशन इज
maintained
इंडिया's
equipment
largest
in
ever
AMCs in
sanitation
villages.
drive initiated and
ये सब
launched
है
by Prime Minister
drawbacks of the
Narendra Modi on
public
2nd
healthcare
October
services.
2014.
Now we are going to see
this
the
स्वच्छ
private
भारत अभियान
healthcare
आपने बहुत बार
service. We
सुना
know that
है.
private
उसका जो
hospitals are also there. In the
साइन भी आपने
recent
देखा
years,
होगा,
private
एक कदम
healthcare
स्वच्छता की
services
ओर
are
ऐसा
increased
करके.
by
So
leaps and bounds.
this स्वच्छ
Leaps and
भारत
bounds means
अभियान
a
इसको बोलते हैं
dramatic
क्लीन इंडिया
improvement हम
मिशन.
देख सकते
इट
हैं.
इज लॉन्च्ड
बहुत सारा है
by the Prime
private
Minister
healthcare
on
services,
2nd
private
October
hospitals.
2014.
About
That was the
75% of healthcare is provided by the private
birth
hospitals and
anniversary of
doctors through
Mahatma
various
Gandhi.
super
So the
speciality
aim of
hospitals
the
and
Swachh
clinic.
Bharat
आपको भी जो भी
mission is to clean the street,
sickness आया,
road, public
बीमारी आए तो
places,
आप क्या करते हैं?
means of
प्राइवेट
public
हॉस्पिटल
transport in
प्रेफर करते हैं
cities, towns
क्योंकि
and
वहाँ
villages.
पे
This is the aim of the
बहुत सारा
Swachh
हमें
Bharat अभियान. क्लीन करना
सर्विसेज
रोड,
बहुत
स्ट्रीट,
अच्छा देते
public
हैं.
places,
एंड
transport, public transport
प्राइवेट
ऐसा.
हॉस्पिटल में
And this under
सुपर
this Clean
स्पेशलिटी
India mission
हॉस्पिटल
में a large number
है,
of
डॉक्टर्स
toilets
है,
have been
फैसिलिटीज है. Due to the
constructed
high
in
level of
rural and
cleanliness,
urban area.
they
Many
attract
toilets are
rich and middle
constructed
class people.
क्योंकि
वहाँ पे
ओपन स्पेस में
cleanliness
सब
भी बहुत
नहीं
अच्छे
करना
रहते
है,
हैं
ऐसा
हॉस्पिटल
डिस्करेज
में,
करते हैं
प्राइवेट
उसके लिए.
हॉस्पिटल में.
And
मेडिकल
this
tourism
mission
in
will
India
also
is a new
contribute to
concept wherein
India
patients
reaching
of other
sustainable
countries are
development
treated
goal
in India
6.
in super
Development goal 6
speciality
में यही है,
and ultra modern
provide clean
hospitals.
water and
Even medical
sanitation for
tourism
all.
भी इंडिया में है.
उसमें
means
एक है
a large
जो
number of
UN ने
citizen of other
2015
countries
में
are visiting
17
India for
17
their
ग्लोबल
treatment.
गोल्स
So that
बनाए.
is
उसमें से
known as medical tourism. मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज के लिए इंडिया
प्रोवाइड
में
क्लीन
विजिट
वाटर
करते
एंड
हैं. ये
सैनिटेशन
भी है
फॉर
प्राइवेट
ऑल.
हेल्थकेयर
ये
सर्विस में इंक्लूडेड है.
इसमें स्वच्छ भारत मिशन के थ्रू उसमें बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन हो गया. एंड उसका स्लोगन ऑफ दिस क्लीन इंडिया मिशन इज़ दैट वन स्टेप टुवर्ड्स क्लीनिनेस. ये भी आपने बहुत बार सुना है, वन स्टेप टुवर्ड्स क्लीनिनेस. This is about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So today we learned about the public healthcare service, especially this National Rural Health Mission and its aim and its how it is working and the drawbacks of our public healthcare service. Enough doctors and nurses are there and lack of infrastructural facilities, then poorly maintained equipment in PHCs in villages. Then we learn about the private healthcare services. Many private hospitals are there, even medical tourism also practicing here. Then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan also we learn. Okay, thank you.